Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language courses. This morning I woke up to the news that there'd been yet another mass shooting in the USA. This time I think at least 10 people have been killed by a shooter who also died in a Walmart somewhere in the USA. And this mass shooting follows hot on the heels of a mass shooting in a gay bar somewhere in Colorado over the weekend. Basically, these things happen time and time again. If you say that something happens time and time again, you mean that they keep on happening, and it's often used, this time expression, for negative things. So you might say, for example, I've told you time and time again to make sure you bring your stuff home from school. This is the third jacket you've lost this year. If you have a child, like I do, who's somewhat prone to leaving things at school and then being unable to find them again. Maybe you tell someone time and time again that they should stop smoking and they ignore you until it's too late. Maybe some of you have had that experience of applying for jobs when you're looking for work and then time and time again getting told that you're overqualified for the jobs that are on offer. And maybe you've noticed in the political environment where you are that some politicians will say anything to get elected. It's something we've seen here in the UK time and time again. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use time and time again. Which reminds me, before I forget, I should have added also that you sometimes just hear time and again used in the same way to talk about negative things that keep on happening. This isn't to say, by the way, that you never see positive examples using this time expression. It's just that they're much less common. You might see, for example, the coach of a football team saying, "We've shown time and again, we've shown time and time again that we can pick ourselves up after a defeat and come back even stronger." So it is sometimes used in a positive way. It's just less commonly used like this.